Whirlpool Admiral washer and dryer. Right now got a real heavy jeans, towels, and others load in there. It's on super capacity. Does a real good job. As you can see, it sounds real good. And I'm going to let it go through the full cycle. And once it gets to the high spin, I'll come back and let you listen to that, so you can see that it sounds great and balanced when it spins and all that. Then we'll move those clothes over to the dryer, and I'll let you see that the dryer works perfectly. Okay, and we're back on the high spin. It's about up to speed there. As you can see, sounds good, looks good. There's no weird noises, and it's not off balance or anything like that. It's actually running in like new condition. Very clean. Open that up, you can see it spinning very fast. The lid switch works like it should. Alright, I'm going to let those finish out, and then we'll toss those clothes over into the dryer here. And on the dryer, there's just a couple little spots we're going to touch up. Otherwise, it is also in like new condition and operates in like new condition. Both of these have huge capacities on them. Let's give just a sec to let that finish spinning out. Okay, so we got those moved out. See, that's nice and clean. Got them moved over here. Tossed in. We'll just go to auto dry, very dry. Let's hit go. As you can see, it's got smooth operation. Sounds good. And I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating. Kind of the purpose of these videos is to show you that they do wash and dry like they're supposed to. That way you know what you're spending your money on indeed works. That's what I would want to know. So this is just a little temperature gun, tells you what the temperature is. So open this up, and you can actually see that's red from where the heat is coming in from the heating element, which is right below down there. So inside's heating up, plenty of heat coming in from there. Let me go ahead and take that picture. Push that back in there. So heats like it should. Everything on it works perfectly, and these guys are ready to go. Going to do a little touch up on just a couple little spots. Other than that, they're going to look like new, they work like new, and they are good to go. I thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video, and if you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks.